morning everyone. Today we are going to start the last part of this chapter, algebraic expression, that is subtraction of algebra. In this subtraction also I will say that you should always adopt the vertical method. But if we are given monomials, single term, you can use the horizontal method. As in the first question, second part. Question 1, B part. Subtract minus 20a from minus 40a. Use this word subtract always. From 40a. So minus 40a will be written at the first. The sign of subtract minus 20a. Minus 20a I will put it in the bracket because it is a negative term. Now these two terms, these two signs will be solved. Minus 40a minus minus plus 20a. Minus 40 plus 20. Opposite signs are always subtracted. Sign of the greater number. Minus 20a. Question 1. C part. Subtract a plus b from a minus b. The expression that is after from, it will be written at the top. The expression a plus b, that will be written here. Now the main thing, when you will do it in the vertical, the main thing is you have to change the sign of all the terms of the expression that is written at the bottom, that is written in the second line. So we will leave some space here for changing the sign. That is a means plus a, we will change its sign, make it negative. That was plus b, we will change its sign minus b. I have circled the change sign because now these signs will be considered. Now it was plus a, it is minus a. Both will be cancelled. It is minus b, it is minus b. Now this plus will not be considered. Minus 1b, minus 1b. Both same signs are always added. Minus 2b. That is our answer. Now the question number 2, B part, second part. Subtract minus 5 by 6 a square b from 2 by 9 a square b. From 2 by 9 a square b, that term will be written at the top. Minus 5 by 6 a square b, that will be written at the bottom. Now the term written at the bottom, its sign will be changed. It will become plus. Now 2 by 9 plus 5 by 6 a square b. Now these are the two fractions and we will add them with the help of LCM. That will be our answer. Second question, C part. Subtract 7a plus 5b minus 3c from 0. 0 is the constant term. From के बाद 0, that will be written at the top. 7a plus 5b minus 3c, that will be written at the bottom. All the terms sign will be changed. That will become minus 7a, that will become minus 5b, that will become plus 3c. Here before the first term there is no sign, it means it is a positive. Now minus 7a minus 5b plus 3c and that 0. We will not change the sign of 0 because it is written at the top. The terms that are written in the first expression at the top, their signs are not changed. If you will not write the 0, then also it is okay. But if there is any other number except 0, other than 0, then it is necessary to write that number. You cannot leave that. As in the second question, D part, it is written from 1. So here will be 1, that 1 will be written here. Now look at the third question, B part, second part. Subtract 7 subtract 7 plus 9a minus 7b from 2b plus 4a minus 6. The expression that is after from, it will be written at the top. The first expression, it is 7. That is the constant term. That 7 will be written here, plus 7. Plus 9a, it will be written here. Minus 7b, it will be written here. Now all the signs of the second expression will be changed. That will become plus, that will become minus, that will become minus. Now it is 2 plus 7. This minus will not be considered now. Circle sign will be used. 2 and 7, 9b. 4 and minus 9, minus 5a. And minus 6 minus 7, minus 13. That is the answer. I hope I am clear to everyone. Thank you so much.